Alright, we're gonna remove this panel so then we can have access to the toolbox and user manual. Alright, we're gonna do an oil change. Park the motorcycle on a side stand on a firm level surface, and if it's cold, let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes and wait 2 to 3 minutes for the oil to settle. Next, we wait 2 to 3 minutes for the oil to settle. Place a drain pan under the crankcase drain bolt. So the motorcycle is very low. I use this pan to catch the oil. We're going to remove the oil filler cap / dipstick. Then we're going to use this stubby 17mm wrench to undo the crankcase drain bolt. This is where the drain bolt is located. Alright, once you have the drain bolt loose, we can undo it. Alright, once the oil is done draining, we can remove the oil filter. The oil filter is located here. When removing the oil filter, make sure the old gasket is also gone. You don't want a double gasket. On the drain bolt, remove the old crush washer. Mine fell in the drain pan. Alright, for oil, we're using 10W40 GN4 Pro Honda genuine oil. We're going to be using 2.6 liters. For the oil filter, genuine Honda 15410 MFJ D02. The crush washer, there's a beveled side and a flat side. So flat side pushing into the engine case. So before installing this, we need to apply a thin film of oil to the gasket. Tightening torque is 24 to 29 Newton meters after we start the engine and check for oil leaks. Alright, if you don't have an oil filter wrench, you can just put it on hand tight. Next, install the drain bolt. Okay, now we're gonna add oil. Alright, so I didn't have a funnel, I just made one out of an old water bottle. Alright, now we start the engine and let it idle for a bit. We're in between. We're good. There's no leaks. No leaks.